Well, good afternoon. Today in Starkville, we have very overcast skies. There's really not the sun in sight. The graphic says, but outside does not. 72 degrees and very muggy conditions outside with a pretty high dew point, creating very much air you can wear kind of conditions. And take a look at our winds. These are sustained winds blowing at 11 miles an hour, which is much faster, but the gusts are actually much faster. As you can see, we have some areas of Northeast Mississippi seeing 30 degrees. I'm talking to you, Winona. Pontotoc is seeing 29. Some of us, though, are seeing lower than normal. Coffeyville over here especially seeing 12-mile-an-hour wind gusts. Now that is also bringing in a bunch of clouds and rain and stuff. And that's kind of blowing in almost perpendicular, but these clouds and rain will be crossing over, or have been crossing over all of south of Northeast Mississippi, over Eupora and Ackerman. And if we take a look at the wider picture, that is all rolling in from the Gulf, creating much more clouds and rain than usual, with a cold front kind of slowly moving in, and we'll be talking about that more later. But let's take a look at the next 24 hours. Tonight and this afternoon especially will be showers all over with lots of rain and even a potential chance of thunderstorms. Lows will be in the mid-50s, and tomorrow will be less rainy, more sunny, but not very sunny, with highs potentially in the high 60s. Now, let's take a look at that futurecast tomorrow, for tonight, I'm sorry about that. Tonight, rains will kind of be rolling in with some more severe rain than we have been seeing, and a cold front blowing all that rain in. Tonight at 6, rains all over Northeast Mississippi with a lot of rain. And then that's going to slowly blow over Mississippi into Alabama with that cold front, and even the clouds are going to be clearing out. So we should be seeing sunny skies by Thursday morning. Now, rainfall totals will also be much higher than we have been seeing usually, but it's not really anything that'll get us out of this drought that we've been having. Starkville at 1.5 inches is not going to take us out of this drought. Even Eupora won't even be out of this drought, even though they are seeing the most amount of rainfall at 1 3/4 rainfall. But it should bring some cooler temperatures in, especially that cold front, where we'll see a dip in temperatures going down into the mid-60s, and that'll slowly rise throughout the week until a steep drop next Wednesday, when a Arctic blast kind of plows through South Mississippi. And into our 7-day, temperatures are going to have that same sort of trend that as we just saw, with lows getting into even the low 40s as of Friday night. And we are going to be having very cloudy week and just a little bit of rain going into your work week next week.